Today we talk about how can you enable push notifications on your Whoosh app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on money here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on your name here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to push notifications here. Click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's my push notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.